The workshop gave me some insights into customer behaviour in Japan that I'd never heard before. The Japanese customer, as a buyer, has some quite different attitudes and approaches than I had ever seen elsewhere in the world. So that was a very useful insight.
It certainly highlighted to me more focus, tailoring our messages or products to be more made in Japan or made for Japan. So yeah, it's definitely been very helpful.
We tell real stories. You learn from the mistakes and the war wounds. They're better stories to tell than just everything that you achieved. If I had seen someone like me sharing some stories 15 years ago when we first went into Japan, I probably would have changed tack straight away.
If you're considering even vaguely a Japanese market, I would highly recommend going through this sort of workshop.
Bring on the Korean one.